Yesterday, the gold could not make any significant move, and we can see that the price has bounced in between these two price levels. First, 2653.45 as a resistance, a supply zone here, and the support level at 2618.75. It is almost a confluence of support where we have a demand zone where the buyers are waiting. Now we can see that the price has formed a bearish candle body yesterday where the price was trying to reach higher price levels but then returned back down, and currently is in between the resistance and the support level here. So what we can expect? First of all, we can see that on the lower side, on the smaller scale, which means on the lower time frame, we can see that this price level where my mouse is currently pointing is 2633.91. It is a small support level in between these larger support and resistance levels. And if we go to the lower time frame, we can see that this level is around 2636.83, where the price cannot make easily a breakout to the downside. But also on the upper side, we have 2653.45. It is a resistance level on the daily time frame, where the price is having problems going up and also having a clear bullish breakout going even further up. So these are the two levels that are currently preventing the price from reaching any kind of direction, moving up or moving down. We can see that for the last several days we have the price going further up, trying to make a bullish breakout. So currently I am more inclined to see the price going further up, because we can see that yesterday we have a wick on the lower side. The candle could not close the day here, but the price has returned back up. So this is a very important support level for the price, which is currently holding. If the price makes a breakout to the lower side on the lower time frame, which is for example on the 1 hour time frame, let's take a look here. We can see that 2636.83. After that, the lower time frame shows me that the first support level will be around 2625.55 before reaching the daily support level at 2618.75. If the breakout happens, this is the target that I will share with the traders inside the premium analysis. The link will be below if you would like to join. And if there is a bullish breakout above, we can see that first of all 2642.59 and then especially 2647.8. The target will be 2653.45. And let's take a look at yesterday. We can see that on the 1 hour time frame we have a gap that I am waiting to be filled, and this is something also that is attracting the price to close this gap from yesterday. Will that happen? Well, we'll see, but I'm much more inclined to see the price going further up. But I'm also waiting for a clean breakout on the lower time frame above to reach this area of resistance, and after that we'll see what the price do. So for now, let's see and wait for the market and then follow the market with the breakouts. This is all for today. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.